Ghana and South Africa recently signed a visa-free agreement. Let's see what this is all about. This is Exquisite Side Hustle, and I hope you're all doing great.
It has been noticed that South Africa has gradually reduced visa restrictions for African nations, eliminating previous requirements for travelers to show proof of sufficient funds and return flights, etc. But what does this agreement with Ghana entail? The governments of Ghana and South Africa have recently reached a visa waiver agreement, enabling citizens of both countries to enter one another's territory without the need for visas. The announcement stated that travelers may transit through, depart from, and stay in the territory of both countries for a cumulative period of 90 days. This arrangement is only effective from the 1st of November 2023. Now that the visa rules have been facilitated, more people are expected to travel from South Africa to Ghana and vice versa. But what does this deal really imply? This type of visa-free entry is without taking up work or employment or studies. And after 90 days, the individual traveler requires a subsequent visa thereof to travel, as visa is non-extendable. At the port of entry, you will need the following to satisfy the immigration officer before you get a pass. 1. The purpose of the trip should be justified. It could be business, discussions or conclusions, tourism, activities, etc. Number 2, you must show evidence of your economic activities and or circumstances, meaning are you able to sustain yourself whilst in both countries? This could be in the form of proof of income, which is a 3-month bank statement or pay slip or anything that shows your financial stability. Also, a traveler's social circumstance should be established. This means a letter of invitation with copies of the host ID or passport, which indicates the specific address to which you are going to be hosted. Where applicable, proof of confirmed hotel reservations in case of private or self-accommodation, observing the social ties. So you have to satisfy the health status. Do not forget your yellow fever vaccination certificate, or if applicable, a letter from a medical practitioner. You also need to show your COVID vaccination records, especially in Ghana, because they are stern on that. You need a valid original passport or ID, supplementary documents to demonstrate the journey's purposes. Across the African continent, several nations are taking steps to eliminate border restrictions in a bid to encourage unrestricted movements of individuals. This shift towards easier movement also promises to facilitate seamless trade between countries, reducing barriers in the process. And this is good news for Africa.
This has been Exquisite Side Hustle. Thanks for watching.